Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this short video I'll show to you guys how you can convert all the sheets that you have on your Excel file to a PDF. So normally you can easily convert one page of Excel file to a PDF, but in this video we'll check how we can do that for all pages or the sheets that we have on my Excel file. So as we can see here, I have 3 sheets. So first of all, we need to go at each Excel page. So now once we have selected, let's say the first sheet, then we go over the tabs here and we choose page layout, and then we go over this arrow here, which is regarding page setup. We click over it, and now at this scaling option, we choose fit to. So here we specify fit to one page, and then we press over OK. And then we do the same for the last page, etc., etc. So we just select the sheet, and then we go over page layout. We click over this arrow here, and then we click over fit to one page. Here you can specify also how wide you want this to be, and then you press over OK. You need to customize the margins so it will fit in one page or however you need that. But let's go back to the focus of this video. So I want to convert this on PDF, all the sheets of this file. And in order to do that, we just open the file that we are going to convert for sure. And then we go over File, and then we click over Save As, and then we define where I want to save this file. So I'm clicking over this PC, and I'll choose from the options here on the left where I want to save. I'll choose Documents, and then here where it is showing Save As Type, I'm going to choose PDF. So here there is a long list of formats that I can convert this file, but I will choose PDF. And now we need to click over this options here. So we click over options, and now we can see that we have many possibilities here, but I'm going to choose publish the entire workbook. And then we can specify the pages, but I want all the pages. Once I'm done with this, I click over OK, and then I click over save and publishing, and let's go to the folder and let's see the file. So here is the file that is converted now on PDF. So this is the first sheet, loan amortization schedule. And now let's check the other pages. So here we are. It's well converted on PDF. You can adjust, like I said, in the Excel file, how you want this to be shown by going over page setup. But this is the first method how you can convert all the sheets of your Excel file to PDF. The next method is again by going over File, and then from the options here on the left, we click over Export, and now we click over Create PDF Document. Now it will pop up once again this view, and we follow the same steps. We go over options, we select entire workbook, we press over OK, then we click over publish. You want to replace? Yes. So those are 2 methods how you can convert your Excel file to a PDF. And this PDF will include all your sheets that you have on your Excel file. That's all that I want to show you guys. I hope you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.